Today, this is vlog day 1. Hello. Say hello, Brock. Hello. This game, like, the heck is gonna be cute. But, this is my first. So cute. Can I hold it for a second? Nope. Nope. Where are you going? She doesn't like us. Well, we're gonna go fishing, and we're just gonna sort of wait. It's all rainy, and we have to wait till Mom gets back. Well, not my mom, his mom, and then we'll go fishing. I'll show you that later on in the video. You don't like the fish, High five! High five! Come on, high five! High five! You're not doing this. Well, not jumping, but she's skateboarding. Let's go. Okay. Where's she? There you are.
This is totally edited, so...
Yeah.
This is...
Hey, but what if it's true? Do you think you can do it? Do you think we can do it? Oh, no. She just grabbed me. Okay, let's do this. Got the skateboard inside the house. Let's get it a little bit more light for the video. Let's go. Okay. Testing. The test on the skateboard.
Ready?
Yep. Come on. Got it. Okay.
Ready?
Now, put it on. Is this gonna happen? Is this how it's gonna work? I don't think this counts, Brock. Yes! She's trying to get off at the same time, but it worked.
What happened in the video? But it worked.
Here's a different attempt.
Okay, ready?
Come on, you got it. Go! Yes! Yes! It works! I just lost the fish on accident. Here. I look at his pole and there's like a turtle that bites it. I try reeling it, but it slips right out of his mouth. And right when he was coming over, I look at his pole, just the cast back out, and I look at my lure, well not my lure, my bobber, and it goes like right under. And it just keeps going. Then when I try reeling it in, just ended up working. Now I've only caught one, he's caught 2. It's like we're doing what's the winner do? Whoever catches the most fish?
I don't know. Guys, comment below who's gonna win. Brock or Colton?
Now I don't think many people watch this live, because this is not a YouTube video right now. It's not going on YouTube right now.
I know, but still.
Okay. It's not on YouTube
Once you
yet.
post it, well, do you like comment below?
Yes. I never really say it. Oh, like and subscribe. Back, you're not in the camera. Oh my gosh!
Turn on.
I got something.
It's a turtle.
Oh my gosh, am I gonna catch a turtle today? Oh my! It's a turtle! It's a turtle! It's a turtle! It's a turtle! Strong turtle. So get it! Get it on tape! You gotta do this! Get it!
Guys, look at this. It's a turtle.
It's so heavy!
Poor turtle.
I know! I can't take it out of its mouth though. If it following me up on land, I don't think I can get it out of its mouth. Oh my gosh! What am I gonna do? What should I do?
I don't know.
It's trying to go back in its shell.
Yeah, sometimes it will by itself.
I'll give it some line.
Like, let it go free.
Trying.
Completely.
Trying, but it won't go. My line.
Yay. He got it out. Well,
whoa!
He got it out.
That was exciting.
Yeah, I've caught like 6 turtles here, guys.
I didn't catch one though.
Sort of.
What? What is that? A bass! Oh wow! Look at this!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Got some. You think you should cast that out for like the gigantic fish?
No, they won't eat that.
It's insane. Can I hold it? I've never held a bass.
Got a bass.
Oh my gosh!
Let's let him go. Release fish
Huh.
on this channel.
Yeah, I'm glad. That was.
Might be somewhat different, but I just got done editing the video, so this will be the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And